on the people of Marathwada, the Marathwada Mukti Sangram Din, to operating the sacrifice of this day. Marathwada Mukti Sangram Din celebration on 17 September, the day in 1948 when Marathwada was liberated from Nizam Shah and into the Indian Union, but this liberation was neither sudden, easy, it was the result, the effort by the मराठवाडा आमचा मान सन्मान आणि अभिमान म्हणून तर उत्साहाने साजरा करतो मराठवाडा मुक्ती संग्राम दिन. To call Jivika from standard second. My name is Jivika. I study in second class. Marathwada Mukti Sangram Din. Thank you. Thank you, Jivika. Now I would like to call Qureshi Albas from standard 5th.
Everyone, myself Albash Qureshi from standard 5th to deliver on speech Marathwada Liberation Day. मराठवाडा मुक्ती संग्राम आहे इतिहासातील एक सोनारी पान. त्यांनी दिले प्राणांचे बलिदान, त्यांचे प्रति आमचे मनात आहे सन्मान. मराठवाडा डे also known as the Marathwada Mukti Sangram Din in celebrate on Maharashtra 17 September annually. India gained independence British rule 1947 and partition princely either on the India or Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you, Albas. Now I would like to call Sayyid Ayman from standard 5th. Marathwada Day. Its celebration on 17th of September. On this day, Marathwada got freedom of Nizam. Thank you. Thank you, Ayman. Now I would like to call Savana Purva from standard 3rd. Thank you, Ajay. Now I would like to call Khan Sifan from standard 1st. Everyone, my name is Ivan. I study in first class. Today is 17 September. We are celebrating Marathwada Liberation Day. Thank you. Thank you, Sikal. Principal, teacher, good morning everyone, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Swarali. Today I stand before you to tell about Marathwada Liberation Day, a day hold great importance from the people of Marathwada. This day is celebrated on September 17th every year to mark the liberation of Marathwada from the rule of Nizam. Thank you. Thank you, Swarali. Now I would like to call the Shubhravi from Standard 4. Good morning everyone. Myself Shamini Deshmukh from Standard 4. Respected principal, president, teachers, and today I am going to deliver speech about Marathwada Liberation Day. नितडी छाती निस्पृह बाणा, नितडी छाती निस्पृह बाणा, लववी नामान, अशा आमचा मराठवाड्याचा आम्हाच अभिमान. मराठवाडा आमचा मान, सन्मान आणि अभिमान, म्हणून तर उत्साहाने साजरा करू मराठवाडा मुक्ती संग्राम. This day is marks the liberation and integration region into the Indian Union. Before this, Marathwada was part of Prince State of Hyderabad ruled by the Nizam. After India's independence in 1947, the Nizams refused